The tarot. In this video, we delve into the meaning of the cards. If you're interested in one of our tarot card sets, you'll find a link to our shop in the description of this video. There are numerous ways to interpret and lay out the cards. Our video aims to provide a starting point without any claim to absolute truths. We have produced a video about the appropriate spread system here. Our tarot here is called the Major Arcana. It consists of 22 cards and represents the major life themes. The Minor Arcana expands it with another 56 cards, so 78 cards, which are also useful for everyday questions. We begin with the Major Arcana. The Magician symbolizes manifestation, creativity, and power. This card represents our ability to tap into our inner resources and manifest our desires. It encourages us to believe in ourselves and our abilities. The High Priestess represents intuition, mystery, and secrets. This card symbolizes the hidden knowledge within us and encourages us to trust our instincts. The Empress stands for care, abundance, and fertility. This card symbolizes the maternal figure and encourages us to take care of ourselves and others. It also stands for the power of nature. This card encourages us to embrace our nurturing side and create a pleasant environment for ourselves and those around us. The Emperor stands for authority, structure, and stability. This card symbolizes the paternal figure and urges us to take responsibility for our actions. It encourages us to create a solid foundation and take responsibility for our lives. The Hierophant represents tradition, spirituality, and religion. This card symbolizes the mentor and encourages us to seek advice from those with more knowledge and experience. It urges us to explore our spiritual beliefs and seek guidance from those who have more experience. The Lovers represent love, relationships, and decisions. They symbolize the union of opposites and encourage us to make choices that align with our values. This card urges us to listen to our hearts and make decisions that reflect our true selves. The Chariot stands for willpower, determination, and victory. It symbolizes the path to success and encourages us to focus on our goals. This card urges us to stay determined and focused on our path to success. Strength stands for courage, inner strength, and self-control. It symbolizes the ability to overcome obstacles and encourages us to use our inner strength. This card urges us to stay strong and face challenges bravely. The Hermit stands for introspection, solitude, and wisdom. It symbolizes the need to take time for ourselves and reflect on our journey. This card encourages us to take time for ourselves and find our inner wisdom. The Wheel stands for change, cycles, and destiny. It symbolizes the ups and downs of life and encourages us to embrace change. This card urges us to trust the journey and accept the changes that come our way. Justice stands for balance, fairness, and truth. It symbolizes the need to make fair and just decisions and encourages us to take responsibility for our actions. The Hanged Man stands for surrender, sacrifice, and letting go. It symbolizes the need to let go of control and surrender to the journey. This card encourages us to release control and adopt a new perspective. Death stands for transformation, rebirth, and endings. It symbolizes the need to let go of the old and embrace the new. This card urges us to accept change and transformation and face the end of a cycle. Temperance stands for balance, harmony, and moderation. It symbolizes the need to find balance in our lives and encourages us to practice moderation. This card urges us to find balance and harmony in our lives. The Devil stands for temptation, materialism, and addiction. It symbolizes the need to free ourselves from negative patterns and beliefs. The devil is often depicted with a demonic figure, symbolizing temptation. The Tower stands for upheaval, chaos, and revelation. It symbolizes the need to break down old structures and beliefs. This card encourages us to embrace change and break down old structures. The star stands for hope, inspiration, and guidance. It symbolizes the need to trust the journey and believe in the future. The moon represents intuition, mystery, and the subconscious. It symbolizes the need to trust our instincts and explore our inner world. The sun stands for joy, success, and vitality. It symbolizes the need to adopt a positive attitude and enjoy life. Judgment stands for rebirth, renewal, and awakening. It symbolizes the need to let go of the old and embrace the new. The world stands for completion, fulfillment, and wholeness. It symbolizes the end of a cycle and the beginning of a new one. The Fool is actually the first card in the Major Arcana and stands for new beginnings, innocence, and taking risks. This card encourages us to take a leap of faith and trust our instincts. However, it can also mean naivety and impulsiveness. And those were the meanings of the Major Arcana. In the following video, you will get an overview of the meanings of the Minor Arcana. If you have comments or additions to our explanations, feel free to write them in the comments. The interpretation of the cards is complex and multifaceted. And don't forget to browse our shop. You'll find plenty of magical items, and now enjoy our card set.